my name is AON, and this is my backlove story. In today's episode, I'm happy to share with you how to use a purse organizer. I got a luxurious purse organizer, and I'm excited to review it with you. A company in Instagram reached out to me and gifted me one of their products to try and make a review of. And I'm excited to give you my honest opinion about their product. This company is called the ArcDiary. They are selling purse organizers and purse pillows that have these luxurious printed designs. So on their purse pillow, they have slow rebound foam and they also have senior Egyptian cotton filling. So on the product features, their material are made from advanced rayon, tailor-made. They have good shaping. They're made from eco-friendly materials and they have good resilience. And this is how to care for the products. They have a store in Amazon and I'm happy to link their store description box below in case you're interested in getting one of their products. So their products are specifically made for luxurious and high-end bags. Now let's open what I got. So this is the bag organizer or the purse organizer that I chose. And this is specifically for a Birkin 25. I don't have any Birkin 25 in my collection yet, but this specific size fits in most of my bags, so I chose this. So now let's open. So this is specifically for Birkin 25. I think that their design, the logo, it looks very luxurious as well. And the packaging looks very luxurious as well. Love it. So this is the purse organizer. It came with like a foam. It looks like this. On the outside, it looks like this. It has two pockets on this outside. On the other side, another pocket, one slit pocket. On the inside, it has the same design as that of the outside. It has pockets on these two sides and three pockets on this side and two pockets on this side. I really love the design. It looks very, very pretty and girly and dainty. And most of my bags are in pink, so I just chose pink to match with the bag organizer, to match with the purse organizer. And who knows, I might have a Birkin 25 in the future, like law of attraction. Do you believe in law of attraction? So this one, I'll try to put it inside my Aldo Galilini bag. So this is my Aldo bag. So there, I have placed it inside my bag. Looks really, really nice. See? I just chose this size because this bag organizer, this purse organizer, fits in my other bags as well. But first, let's put some things inside my bag organizer. So now let's try to put my things inside this purse organizer. I have some pen and eyebrow pencil. I'll put it in this area. I have here my key holder. This is my unit key holder. And I'll put it in this middle portion. An extra plastic bag for trash. Wipes. My favorite mental stick for headaches. In this area. Then I have my Lucas Papaw ointment from Australia. Human Nature hand and foot salt and eucalyptus scent. This is my Gloss Boss, my lip gloss that has no color and it's called Diamond. My perfume. Then I have my Pond's sunscreen. I have here my mirror, my Melody mirror in this area. A Tic Tac. Then I have here my Lane. This is Dear Self Beauty, a lip tint. I have this Lux Organics Anclutes. This is a charcoal oil absorbing blotting paper. And this has a mirror and some blotting sheets. Put it in this pocket outside. Then I'll put my phone in this area. I can also put it in the outside. Let's see if it fits. This pocket. It does fit, but I want to put it right here on the inside. My corner zip bracelet that I'm currently using as my wallet, and also houses some of my essentials, some panty liners, small things that I always bring with me, some cash. On the other side, two of my most used cards are in this pouch, the corner zip bracelet. This is CZ from British Museum. Beautiful design. This is my loose powder. I have some tissues. And I have here Cake Worthy. This is a collaboration with Barbie. And I have some of my other cards in here. This is a pretty dainty design. Other card holder. So that is all of my essentials that I put inside my bag. So this is how you organize your bag. So this is my purse organizer, the very pretty and dainty purse organizer from ArcDiary. I believe that every bag lover should own a purse organizer to organize your bag. For high-end and luxurious bag, it will protect the inside of your bag. But in case you don't own a luxury bag, a purse organizer is still very, very important to have so that you can easily organize the things inside your bag. You can easily see the things inside and get them and put them back where you got them. So in case you're interested to get a purse organizer, please do visit the ArcDiary Store. I will link their store in my description box below. They have an Amazon store and then they also have Instagram store. So I'll put the link in my description box below. I would like to thank my friend Kelly from Instagram. Thank you, Kelly, for gifting me this very beautiful purse organizer. I'm so happy and very blessed to have received this very beautiful early Christmas gift from you. If you love beautiful yet affordable luxury bag alternatives like this, that are simple and classy, glamorous pink and girly, and some fun kawaii finds, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. So till my next video, Happy Christmas everyone!